Hello and welcome. We are still on the applications of integration, and today's application is the surface area of solids. So we are going to handle this application using an example, and our example is find the area generated when the arc of the parabola y squared is equals to 8x between x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2 rotates about the x axis. So we said you check here. So this is rotates about the x-axis. So our formula will be A is equals to the integral from 1 to 2. We have a correction here. And now we have 2 pi y square root of 1 plus dy dx squared. So this is dx. And now our y, we have y squared is equals to 8x, meaning we have to find y. That means y is the square root of 8x, and the square root of 8x is 2 root 2 x raised to power a half. So if we get dy dx, meaning we differentiate 2 root 2 is a constant times, so we have a half x minus a half, because we are subtracting. When you're differentiating, you subtract the power. So that leaves us with root 2 x to power minus a half. That's our dy dx. But remember, in the formula it is squared, so we square. So we have dy dx squared. That will be root 2 x, x raised to power minus a half is the same as 1 over root x. So here it is squared. That gives us 2 times 1 over x, which is simply 2 over x. In this formula it's saying the square root of, so we have 1 plus dy dx squared, which is 1 plus 2 over x. If we apply LCM, we get x plus 2 over x. So this is what we multiply. But remember, it's the square root. So if it's the square root, it means that everything here is raised to power a half. So you can see that the square root of 1 plus dy dx squared is equals to x plus 2. This is the square root raised to power a half over x raised to power a half. So we have solved this whole section here. So we want to multiply by 2 pi y, and get our value. So we're going to say the integral from 1 to 2. Then we have 2 pi y. 2 pi y. Y is 2 root 2 x power a half times this root here, which is x plus 2 raised power a half over x raised power a half, and now dx. This gives us the integral from 1 to 2 4 pi 4 root 2 pi 4 root, so let's just say 4 root 2 pi, and then we have x raised to power a half times x plus 2 raised to power a half over x raised to power a half. So this will cancel out. The x raised to power a half, x raised to power a half, this and this will cancel out. So you're left with the integral from 1 to 2 of 4 root 2 pi x plus 2 raised to power a half. 4 root 2 pi is a constant, so we are left with this integral, which is x plus 2 raised to power a half dx. Of which we are going to integrate the normal way, though it's a compound function. So we're going to get 4 root 2 pi into x plus 2 raised to power 3 over 2, because it's a half plus 1 over 3 over 2 times 1. Whatever is inside the bracket, you differentiate. This gives us 8 over 3, because this will be 2 over 3. 2 over 3 will cancel somewhere, and then you're going to be left with 8 over 3 root 2 pi. And now we have integrated, and then we have decided to substitute direct. We're getting 2 root 2, 8 minus 2 root 2, and if you input this in your calculator, you're getting 61.3 units. That's it for today. Thank you and bye.